Hello students. Till now we have learned about how to add and subtract the given amounts of money. Now today we will discuss the word problems based on addition and subtraction of amounts. So do you remember the keywords of addition and subtraction that we have already learned in previous units? Let us revise them first of all. So keywords of addition and subtraction. Keywords of addition and subtraction. So because these keywords help you to understand that which mathematical operation, that is addition of or subtraction, you have to use in the word problem. So for addition, we have total, altogether, in all, sum, add. So these are the keywords of addition: total, altogether, in all, sum, and add. And the keywords of subtraction are left, remaining, difference, and we also subtract when we have to compare the two things कि दोनों में डिफरेंस निकालना है हमें कोई टू थिंग्स में, या हम कंपेयर करते हैं. So in such cases we have to subtract. So let us discuss some examples first, which is given in your book. First example is Mintu bought an eraser for rupees 2 rupees 50 paise, a sharpener for 5 rupees 50 paise, and a marker for rupees 10. So you can see here the sharpener, cost of sharpener is there. Eraser, sharpener, and marker is given. Now what you have to do is how much did the three items cost all together. So यहाँ पर आपने इन सब की cost निकालनी है, total cost. So here all together मतलब सारे मिलाकर कितना cost हुई है इन three items की. So here is the keyword altogether. Altogether is the keyword of addition. So we have already discussed, and here how can you solve this word problem? Cost of an eraser. First of all, write down what is given. सबसे पहले हम वो लिखते हैं जो given होता है, दिया हुआ होता है. So cost of eraser is given, cost of sharpener is given, cost of marker is given. So we have written all the things which are given. Now the total cost. So to find the total cost, we have to add, and then we will get the answer. Similarly, another question. Tina had 50 rupees 50 paise in her purse. You can see here 50 rupees 50 paise in her purse. She bought a birthday present for her friend costing 31 rupees 50 paise. So she purchased this gift for her friend whose cost is 31 rupees 50 paise. So the question is how much money is left with her. So कितना money इसके पास बच गया, left. So you know left is a keyword of subtraction. So we have to subtract. So what is given? Amount which Tina had. इसके पास total कितना amount था, that is given, and cost of present is given. or you can say amount spent on present is given. So we have to find out the amount left with her. So what we have to do, we have to subtract. So after subtraction, we will get the answer. So now we will discuss some word problems of worksheet number 8. Here the first question is, Nikhil had ₹9.50 with him. निखिल के पास ₹9.50 थे. He purchased a chocolate for ₹6.50. ₹9.50 उसके पास थे और उसने ₹6.50 की क्या ले लिया? चॉकलेट परचेज कर ली. How much money was left with him? In word problems, the most important thing is to understand the question. आपको समझना है कि क्या given है और क्या पूछा गया है question में. So, what is given? निखिल के पास जो amount था that is given, and cost of chocolate is given which he has purchased. जो उसने चॉकलेट परचेज करी, ये जो चॉकलेट परचेज करी कौन से अमाउंट में से लिया पैसा? जो उसके पास ऑलरेडी था. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट. अब ये स्पेंड करने के बाद कितना मनी उसके पास बच गया, लेफ्ट. सो यू नो हियर इज द कीवर्ड दैट इज लेफ्ट. सो लेफ्ट इज अ कीवर्ड ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, आपने टोटल अमाउंट में से जो मनी स्पेंड किया उसे आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देन यू विल get the money left with him. So let us solve the question first. So worksheet number 8 and solution number 1. So you know that first of all we will write what is given. So what is given over here? Amount Nikhil had. कि निखिल के पास कितना अमाउंट ऑफ मनी था? दैट इज ₹9.50. And amount spent on, or you can say money spent on chocolate. So this is also given कि उसने कितना मनी स्पेंड किया चॉकलेट पे. So that is ₹6.50. Now what we have to find out, यही two things हमें given थी, total amount जो उसके पास था and money spent on chocolate. Now what is the what we have to find out? Money left with him. We have to find out the money left with him. कि उसके पास कितना मनी बच गया, that we have to find out. And you can write these statements in your own words. जो ये word problems में हम statement लिखते हैं, ये आप अपने words में लिख सकते हैं, और you can write this statement from the question. आप उसमें से आइडिया ले सकते हैं कि हमें क्या लिखना है. I have not written anything from my side. Everything is given in the question. And now what we have to do is we have to subtract. जब left हमें बची हुई चीजें निकालनी होती है, you can see here the left is a keyword of subtraction. So learn these keyword again. अगर आप इनको भूल गए हैं, so learn these keywords. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 5 minus 5 is 0. And this point or dot comes under dot, and 9 minus 6 is 3. And the sign, rupees sign, comes under rupees sign. So how much money is left with him? 3 rupees is left with Nikhil, right? So rupees 3 was left with him or Nikhil. You can write anything. So in this way we can solve these word problems. Now the next question. Deepa bought rice for 35 rupees 50 paise, flour for 52 rupees 50 paise, and sugar for rupees 18. So these are the cost of the things that she has purchased. That is rice, so rice liya, flour means atta, and sugar. So these are the amounts of rice 35 rupees 50 paise, flour 52 rupees 50 paise, and sugar 18 rupees. Now what we have to find out, how much money did she spend in all? कि उसने सारा मिलाकर कितना मनी स्पेंड किया है, that we have to find out. So you can see here in all is a keyword of addition. So what we have to do, हमें टोटल अमाउंट निकालना है जो उसने स्पेंड किया. So in all is the keyword of addition, so we have to add. So solution number 2. Now first of all we will write what is given. So what is given over here? Cost of rice, yeah, money spent on rice, you can write in your own words. And cost of flour, or money spent on flour, and cost of sugar. So we'll write rice, money spent on rice is rupees 35 rupees 50 paise. Money spent on flour is 52 rupees 50 paise. And now here she purchased sugar for rupees 18. Now here how can you write 18 rupees in this way? So you know that 18 rupees there is no paise, so we will write 00 paise. हमें 18 rupees given है, and so we will write 00 paise. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the total money spent. So we will write total money spent. Now you can also write money spent in all, or total money spent. So I have already told you that you can write in your own words. Now total money find out करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We have to add. So add करेंगे. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry over. Dot comes under dot. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 plus 1 is 16. 1 carry over again. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So what is the amount spent and all? So that is rupees 106. So 106 rupees, she spent 106 rupees in all. So write Deepa spent 106 rupees in all. So now it is clear to you. Now we have already done 2 questions of this worksheet. 3 questions are left. Read these questions and try to solve it. You can see here 3rd, 4th and 5th questions are left. So read these questions, try to understand and solve it, and we will discuss them in our next video. Thank you.